Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best gadgets for kids that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Learning Resources Code. The Code & Go Robot Mouse Activity Set is a fantastic screen-free early coding toy designed for children ages 4 and up. With 83 pieces, this interactive STEM coding pet provides a fun and engaging way for kids to learn the fundamentals of coding. They can build their own maze and use the programmable robot mouse to navigate through it, honing their problem-solving and critical thinking skills. This educational toy is an ideal gift for back to school, fostering creativity and introducing kids to the world of coding while offering endless hours of fun and learning. Moving on at number 4, we have Tabi Eobot SCFL Guiding. The Elenco Teach Tech, Sphero the Robot, is an exciting STEM learning toy perfect for kids aged 10 and above. This interactive and AI-capable robot comes with an infrared sensor, enabling it to detect and interact with its surroundings. With included assembly parts, children can enjoy building Sphero from scratch, learning about robotics, electronics, and programming in a hands-on and engaging way. The robot's artificial intelligence capabilities add a layer of complexity to the learning experience, encouraging kids to explore and experiment with various coding concepts. Sphero the Robot is a great educational tool that combines fun and learning while igniting a passion for technology in young minds. At number 3, we have Motorola T100 Talkabout Radio. The Motorola T100 Talkabout Radio is a reliable communication device that comes in a pack of 2. With its user-friendly features, staying connected with friends or family is a breeze. The radios offer a variety of call tones, allowing personalized communication signals for different contacts. Finding a clear channel is quick and easy, ensuring smooth communication without interference. The flashing low battery alert ensures you never miss a critical message, prompting timely battery replacement. The keypad lock feature prevents accidental button presses, keeping the radio settings consistent during use. Whether for outdoor adventures, events, or emergencies, the Motorola T100 Talkabout Radio is a dependable companion for effective and convenient communication. At number 2, we have Sphero Robot Ball. The Sphero Mini is a captivating app-enabled robot ball, ideal for kids aged 8 and above, offering an enriching STEM educational experience. With its compact 1.57 size, it guarantees endless fun and learning. Children can effortlessly control the Mini using the Play and Do app, enjoying driving, playing games, and exploring coding. The programmable aspect empowers kids to develop essential coding skills and critical problem-solving abilities. Through interactive play and coding challenges, the Sphero Mini stimulates creativity and innovation, all while keeping young minds engaged and entertained. It's the perfect tool to introduce kids to the world of robotics and ignite their passion for learning. And finally at number 1, Geo Safari Junior, my first kids microscope toy. The Geo Safari Junior, my first kids microscope toy is a wonderful preschool science tool and STEM toy, specially crafted to ignite curiosity in toddlers aged 3 and above. This real, working microscope is designed with little learners in mind, offering an exciting and educational experience. By peering through the lens, children can explore the microscopic world around them, discovering the wonders of science up close. It's an excellent gift that sparks curiosity and encourages playful learning. With the Geo Safari Junior Kids Microscope, toddlers can embark on fascinating journeys of exploration, fostering a love for science from an early age and laying the foundation for a lifetime of discovery and learning. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.